Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Vija and I am super glad to see you on my channel. If you're here for the first time, I make DIY videos for home decor. And if you love making them just the way I do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on the video. And without wasting a second, let's get started.
Okay, so I had this burlap roll which I got from dollar store. It comes for $4 and probably 5 meters long. The reason I choose burlap for this decor is because it comes handy and it goes very well with the fall decor. Then I started by taking a tight knot in the end. So whenever we make a garland, that knot is going to hold the entire garland. So you have to make sure that it's pretty tight. And then after leaving the 3 inches, I started to make stitches. I was making simple stitches, and once I think that I have made enough stitches, I tried to shrink all the burlap. If you can see here, after 3 inches, just put the needle in, take a simple stitch and go all the way around to the whole burlap roll. And whenever you think that you have made enough stitches, just shrink the burlap so you don't have to use another thread. Well, this was pretty long burlap roll. Probably, as I said, it was 5 meters long, so it took probably like 15-20 minutes for me to complete the entire roll. But it was pretty easy, and I enjoyed that. It's kind of a meditation for me. So yeah, you can use material that you like. But as I said, I choose burlap because it goes very well with the fall. The one interesting thing about this DIY is that you can untangle this once you're done, and then you can use this burlap roll somewhere else, probably in the Christmas decor, and use it. You can use it the other way. I started to put fall ornaments on that, so I used pumpkin, some big pine cones, and some small pine cones. And once it was done, I placed that, and here I was done. So our second DIY is making a cute little pumpkin out of craft wire. So as you can see, I have used this craft wire a lot in previous DIYs. So I had this in a white color. It has little metal wire going inside, so it's pretty sturdy. And I started to wrap around my acrylic paint bottle. I didn't want my pumpkin to be very big, so I just went for this size. And once you have it all wrapped, make sure you take it off in a good round shape. So that's why I suggest you use the craft wire, not twine or not laces. So you have to be very careful when you take it out from the bottle or take it out from the round shaped anything. And once you have it there, I had cinnamon stick on the side, so I placed it in the middle. And then I had one small piece of wire which I cut to tangle all this together, and try to tangle that as tightly as possible. And once I had it all tangled, I tried to spread those rounds which I had just on one side, and try to spread it accordingly and work around it until you receive the pumpkin shape. So this is how I made another one.
Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to engage with my channel by liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing to the channel. That helps me to create my YouTube community. And once again, thank you so much, and I will see you all in the next video.